My name's Dominic Taddeucci. I work for Ingomar Packing Company in Los Banos, California. We're an industrial producer of tomato paste and diced tomatoes. I'm out here in the field with one of our growers, checking the quality of the fruit. Every year is a challenge. This season, 2021, is certainly at the top of the list. We have challenges with water, with rising costs, rising input costs. Inventories are at record low levels. It is a difficult time, but it's because of the growers that we have that support us that we're going to be successful. As a family business, Ingomar Packing Company takes great pride in partnering with other family businesses, family growers. That is quite evident in who supplies us with tomatoes, the raw fruit. They do a wonderful job in being good stewards of the environment, especially this year with the challenges of water or the lack thereof. We have to do a lot with a little, and it's because of the support we get from the farmers and growers that have been with us over the years that enable us to be very successful, and that will continue this year.